When you feel like you have nothing, no experience, no connection, and no money, you still have the biggest power of them all, the powers to ask again and again till you get the yes. The people who are made fun of aren't stupid. It's the people who make fun of them. They are. Opportunities comes and go. Being able to know when to make a quick decision is an important skill. You won't be able to achieve your goals if you only focus on them. Instead on focusing on your daily habits that will dictate whether or not you will achieve your goals. It's important to have goals and to work towards achieving them, but it is also important to focus on the habits and process that will help you reach those goals. Know the difference between enjoying your youth and destroying your future. You have to look like a fool while you are looking for the answers you don't have. The mindset isn't about seeking a result, it's more about getting to that result. It's about a journey and approach. Most people get into the process of learning and keep on acquiring knowledge, but they never manage to do anything in life. If you don't produce, you won't thrive, no matter how skilled or talented you are. Keep doing your best every day. If no one is proud of you, be proud of yourself. Embrace burden. Learn to be okay with being bored. It can make you better at deep work as it helps your brain get used to concentration and concentrating and avoid distractions. People are more likely to engage in a shallow work that is easy to replicate and does not require deep concentration. Regularly resting your brain improves the quality of your deep work. When you work hard. When you are done, be done. Less mental clutters means more mental resources available for deep thinking. Clarity about what matters provides clarity about what does not. Saying no to good opportunities in order to focus on the important ones is a necessity of cultivating a deep work habit. Whatever your conscious mind assumes and believes to be true, your subconscious mind will accept and bring to pass. Believe in good fortune, diving guidance, right action, and all the blessings of life. Your subconscious never sleeps, it's always on a job. It controls all your vital function. Forgive yourself and everyone else before you go to sleep, and healing will take place much more rapidly. Your subconscious mind never sleeps, it's always on a job. It controls all your vital function. Forgive yourself and everyone else before you go to sleep, and healing will take place much more rapidly. You cannot be hurt when you know that you are the master of your own thoughts, reactions, and the emotions. Emotion follows thought, and you have the power to reject all thoughts which may disturb or upset you.